According to multiple sources who spoke to the Daily Beast, Donald Trump's lawyers lied in a secret court filing recently when they attempted to move the deposition of Donald Trump from Letitia James' office in Manhattan over to Donald Trump's office at Trump Tower. The lie, according to these individuals who spoke on condition of anonymity to the Daily Beast, was, according to Trump's lawyers, that the Secret Service was super concerned about security issues at the Attorney General's office. They thought if Donald Trump went there, there could be some problems, right? There'd be trouble. So because of that, the lawyers said in this secretive court filing, we got to move it over to Trump Tower, right? We got to get Donald Trump on his home turf where he may have a little bit of home field advantage. That never happened. Not only did the judge not say, okay, you can move it, the judge said, no, you're going to go to the Attorney General's office. You're an idiot. That's where this is happening. And that's where it did happen. It's where Donald Trump pleaded the Fifth Amendment several hundred times to avoid incriminating himself in criminal activity. But more importantly, the Secret Service never expressed any concerns whatsoever about security issues around the Attorney General's office in Manhattan. In fact, one of the directors of the Secret Service has come out and said, there is no communication at all to suggest any of my agents were worried about the security at the Attorney General's office. That simply didn't happen. So what we have now is Donald Trump's lawyers lying to a judge. Now, I don't know how familiar with law everybody is who is watching this segment here, but let me tell you something. You're not allowed to lie to a judge. If an attorney knowingly lies to a judge, submits a knowingly false court document, they can face very serious legal problems, including the suspension or complete revocation of their law license. That is one of the top unethical things and most punishable things an attorney can do in court, is knowingly file a fictitious filing. Because everything that lawyers submit to judges, everything that they put in writing, is essentially under oath. That's how these things are viewed in a court of law. So when these lawyers submitted this filing, they are certifying, under penalty of perjury almost, that the Secret Service said this is dangerous and we can't do it. That is a lie. So now the question remains, are they going to go after these lawyers? I hope so. We have already seen Donald Trump's lawyers probably lie to the FBI, certifying that they had turned over all the documents from Mar-a-Lago. And then, of course, 2 months after they said that, the FBI went there, found hundreds of classified documents at Mar-a-Lago. So we already got his lawyers lying down in Florida. Now we've got them lying in New York City. How many more lies is it going to take before this legal team faces legal action of their own? That's the question I have. I know it's got to be difficult defending a guy accused of as many things as Donald Trump is on as many different fronts as Donald Trump is being accused of crimes. But that doesn't give you clearance to commit crimes of your own, which at this point it seems very obvious that's what Donald Trump's entire legal team is doing.
This is Hattie. Hattie wants to know why you have not subscribed to our channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a favor and subscribe.